This is Crushed Blood here with Spiderman Web of Shadow, Part 10. And right now, we're at the secret base. Yeah, very secret, that giant. Okay, let's go.
This place has all the telltale signs of a secret base.
Yeah. Holy
shit! Is this your new line of work? Goblins are us?
Leave now
Vulture.
while you still can.
Vulture. I can't even say his name right.
Industries.
Screw this.
I'm warning you.
Come on! I just kick your ass instead. Make that big nose into broken pieces. Come on. Hurry up.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna squash you like the little bird you are. Come on.
Miss me?
You dare to face me?
Seriously, did you buy a cliche book? Where are you getting these from?
Come on.
I'll tear you to pieces.
Come on, this is ridiculous.
I think you need a little time out, mister.
Come on, just die already.
Yes, I can.
Just die.
My wings has frightened the little spider boy away.
Not quite, old man.
Die.
About time you idiots shut up! Engage him at once!
So damn annoying. Come on. Good kill. Holy
Now that
shit.
I'm here, let's put
I
some
almost
things
used
out
that
of
on
the
one of these pathetic ones. Come on, bird brain. Let's see how good you can take it. Come on. Is that all you got? Pretty pathetic. Why ain't gonna help? I'll make sure you die. Come on. Boom. See ya.
These goblins will get me up to the old bird.
2, 3.
You and me, bird brain.
Come on. Stop. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Really? Come on. You can't really see me, can you? Okay, what the heck? Oh, well. Come on. Sure, it's just dark. Boom. Boom.
1,
I'm gonna end this now. Come here! I'm gonna kill you right here, right now. Come on. Get off. Nuh-uh. Boom. Nope. 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 And boom! You work for me now. You do what I say, my little bird.
Okay, Buzzard Breath. Merry Christmas. Now you owe me one. Cross me again, I'll do more than take your wings.
Of course, of course.
You
You
little
will
tramp.
I swear.
Man, he's such a wimp. Can't even dig up to the old Spiderman. Okay, I should report the Black Cat. And maybe I get a kiss this time. Come on, Black Cat, give me a kiss. Give me the kiss. Give him the kiss. Give him the kiss. Nope, not dealing with you. Sorry, Black Cat. Come first. Woo! Rockstar! Okay, here we go.
Hey there, Spider-Man. Word is that Kingpin still has some of his secret rooftop hideouts for little henchmen to work from.
I know. My favorite geriatric flying supervillain told me.
It's been quite a night. I hear the police are swamped with assaults, unexplained medical emergencies, people freaking out.
Really?
Well, this is New York.
True.
True. But this sounds like something more.
Well, we can check that out later.
I'll keep an eye out for anything truly weird.
I'm gonna keep an eye out for you.
You do that. In the meantime, I'm gonna shut down the Kingpin's little show.
Have a good time.
I always do.
Okay, well, I guess that was productive and recorded. So, we're going to end it here. Well, I take it on this guy first, okay? All you need is one good shot and then all these cards. And die. That would have been just today. So this is where I am when I recorded. This is Crush Set. This is Crush Blood with Spider-Man Web of Shadow Part 10. Peace out, dudes.